If you want to know where gold could be potentially going ahead of the FOMC meeting today, you are in the right place. One of the main things that I hear a lot of people being frustrated over right now, people like me that have the majority of their net worth invested in physical gold and silver right now, they're not frustrated. They're super happy because they're just cheering gold on. Gold just keeps legging up market structure wise, keeps going up and up and up, and so does silver, okay? But there's a lot of people that aren't in yet and they're scared to get in because they haven't found a good level in order to get in. Now, if you are unfamiliar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am the head trader and the founder of NORDIC Alpha, and I have given multiple times where people could get in on this bull run in gold. Over just the past year, I've given a plenty of times where people can get in. Whenever we go up, we get a new all-time high, we leg down to the previous high, we use it as support, we go long, right? I have a 91.5% live tracked and documented win rate on gold and silver. We just took a 55x silver trade, 55x risk to reward. We're in a gold long right now. Most likely, if you were paying attention inside of NORDIC Alpha, most likely you're in a gold long right now. And if you want those actionable levels, all you got to do, get inside of NORDIC Alpha. It's $29 a month. It is less than $1 a day, and you can let my 91.5% win rate work for you. Now, if we are frustrated because we want to find our level to get in on gold, I'm going to show you what those levels are. But if you want the actual trades and the actual insights, get inside of NORDIC Alpha. It is the first link in the description. And what we will do is we will go ahead and show you exactly what we are talking about. Okay, so now, first and foremost, I want people to understand that this is a massive, massive run up, okay? I mean, look at the run up from here to here. Look at the run up from here to here. I mean, look at the run up just from this last leg of structure up where we cracked these all-time highs, took a nice 6.5% fade, and then boom, went up, okay? So there's a couple of different places that I am seeing gold is going to have some pretty decent support at. And then also, I'm going to tell you exactly where gold could be going if we do uphold the supports on those levels, all right? So the first level of support is going to be right here, okay? This is your ultimate level of support. You measure from this low to this high, and then I pull up my fib tool, boom, and I'm seeing $4,400 is my ultimate level of support. This should not ever break, okay, if we are going to continue in this bull run. This should not break at all. And the worst case scenario, maybe you come down into the midpoint of the 0.618 to the 0.786, but you should really bounce here at this double top and the 0.618, okay? So that is going to be your first level of support, is the $4,400 range. Now, the second place where I could see us having some pretty decent support is going to be right here, okay? And that is at 46.76, where these prior range highs were. If we zoom out just a little bit, prior range highs at about 46.76, okay? So we've got our ultimate support at $4,400. We have pretty decent support at 46.76. And we have the FOMC coming up today that could be the catalyst that either potentially skyrockets us up even further or takes us down to one of our levels where you can now get in to the long side on your gold, okay? So I'm going to show you the third place that I see us having potential support at, all right? And that is going to be right around here. If we measure from the last leg of structure's low to the all-time high, you are going to see 48.33. So you've got your $4,400 range. You've got your, call it 44.40, right? Then you have your $4,650 range. Then you have about 48.33 to about 48.50, okay? So you're kind of noticing a trend. It's a couple of $100 in between all of these levels. So if you're trying to remember them, you can either one, just go back and rewind the video, or two, you can just understand 44.50, 46.50, 48.50 so far right now. Now, if we don't get those massive pullbacks, what you're going to want to do is look at your very last leg of structure up, which is right here, okay? And you could be seeing a pullback right down here to about $5,100 to the prior range highs, to the 0.618, to the naked VWAP that is right here, and then boom, start blasting off. Now, if that were to happen, where could we be potentially going? Because that's what everybody wants to understand, right? Now, I want to show you a trade that we actually just took inside of Nordic Alpha where you would already be in on this, okay? And this is showing you the methodology. You're coming up, you're legging up, you create a new high, and then you come back and you retest the prior range highs, right? It's very simple, very cut and dry. Now, if you come up here, you set a new high, and you come back here and you test the prior range highs, you could be thinking about getting into longs. That's all I'm saying. This is a trade that we gave out in advance, okay? And if you were paying attention and you hit it at the range highs, you got in, and you are in on a, what's the risk to reward on this bad boy right now? 5.5x risk to reward, right? Worst case scenario, not even, right? We got this one right here. Here you go, legged up, came back, tested your range highs right there, boom, and now you're in. So pretty cut and dry. I'm not saying it's rocket science, but I'm not saying it's super hard to pick these levels out. So if we were to say come back down here and start to catch a bounce at, say, the $5,050 range, right? So we've got $4,450, $4,650, $4,850, $5,050, right? Our first level that we're looking to take this to is about $5,400, okay? Your second level is going to be $5,550, right around there. Now, this is where it starts to get a little bit wild, okay? Because now I have these proprietary deviation zones. And no, I'm not going to tell you what these deviation zones are. If you want to know what they are, get into Nordic Alpha. I'll be more than happy to tell you what they are, right? But what we want to do is now come down here and move our Fibonacci down. And now you're seeing $5,500 to $5,600 is your first target, and $5,700 to $5,900 is going to be your second deviation zone and target. Now, if you want to really get wild with it, and if we do somehow come down here to the 4,650 and catch our bounce, your first target is obviously, your first target's always going to be the all-time highs, right? But your first target after that, 5,650 to 5,550 to about 5,650, right? Then that's where you start to get into the $6K to $6,300 range, and this is where it gets wild. You take that full run up, okay? And you're looking at your first target is about $5,800. Second target is $6,400 to $6,100, okay? So, in my opinion, we should absolutely uphold $4,400 bar none, bare minimum. 44 to 44.50. 46.50 is your next. 48.50 is your next, and 5,050 is your like closest support, okay? So with that being said, if you like content like this, I appreciate you. Just make sure you smash the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell. I will see you inside of Nordic Alpha. If you want the actionable insights, you want to know how to get in on these bull runs without taking a massive level of risk, get inside of Nordic Alpha. It is $29 a month. It is less than $1 a day. We've been absolutely killing it in there. I would love to have you there, and I will see you all soon.